So beginning our day, we'll sit for a little bit. So the weather is cooler today, and it's very nice sitting up on the platform in the forest, hearing the animals, hearing the sounds. For me, I find there's a big difference being outside, actually practicing outside, meditating outside. That's very different than being inside. So there can be a sense of spaciousness and freedom. And hearing the different birds this morning, the mourning doves were cooing. And I found it just a very peaceful sound. So relying on nature, relying on the natural setting to help to calm the mind down can be quite helpful. And then also with the work right now, there's a lot of work happening in the forest with the fire clearance, and that's also really nice. I was walking down yesterday and I walked by Tantamoro and Tangino, trimming dead branches off of trees, and get the really nice smell of the cut wood and the chainsaw work happening, and I just find that really delightful. So it's easy to look for positive things or look for delightful things and choose to focus on those, choose to experience those rather than focusing on things that are negative or problems or things that are wrong with ourselves or wrong with the world. We can actually direct our awareness to more positive objects, and that's what it's all about. Leave that for reflection this morning.